blue pill, red pill, purple pill. If you're watching this video, you want to believe a lie or you don't. Those are your options. You either literally don't care that someone lied to you because it will get some political power in your hands, or you do not. Here we go. David Hogg. Yes, they'll flag my channel because I said his freaking name and put it in the YouTube channel video title. I was in my AP environmental science class when the first shots rang out at around 2:30 p.m. You can also see him on a video reading something on a screen. What he's reading on the screen is his own statements. He's reading aloud his own. He's reading a journalist retyping what he said, making sure he got it right. Because he's a journalism major. February 15th, 2018, U.S. Daily Video Upload says this in the video. Senior David Hogg, 18, quote, in writing and in his words, was in his AP Environmental Science class, Advanced Placement Environmental Sciences, when he heard a gunshot ring out at around 2:30 p.m. Now, in a video you're going to see that is obviously lying, and you want to believe it really badly. At the 1 minute mark, he said he made a video at 2:53 after the shots had gone off. And he also said that the original shots were, again, at 2:30. He's never been inconsistent about this, because he's a, what is he again? Isn't he supposed to be a journalism major? Make sure you get information correct, or say, I don't know, and be honest about it. How many people were shot? I don't know. I had to find out afterwards. That's an honest answer. Not a sign of weakness or lack of MAGA. Why is this being politicized? And everybody says, let's not politicize the latest shooting about gun control. No, let's politicize it about literally scapegoating and literally witch hunting some kid. Let's do it. Do it hard. You add credibility to your opponent when you lie badly about them. Lying. Did anybody notice that people figured out Guccifer is actually working for the Russians and it was literally Russian collusion? Oh no, let's beat that down. Let's post something today. Let's run interference for whatever the hell ideology we have. Let's just do it, huh? Yeah? Yeah, I'm pissed off. Here we go, next. At around 6 p.m., if you could watch the video that was being quote mined and edited badly together, if some dickhead on Snopes and dickhead on PolitiFact would post the damn video unedited that they're complaining people are editing. Gee, they're editing. Are you going to post the unedited? Oh, well, there are copyright disclaimers in. Go walk into a disintegration booth, you assholes. This AP student in his environmental science class who's trying to be a journalist someday has more critiquing capability than freaking ABC News. On the day of the shooting, after the shooting, he made a mistake not specifying exact hour, minute, and second date. It could have been the next day he was talking about. I got my camera, got on my bike, and rode as fast as I could 3 miles from my house to the school to get as much video and to get as many interviews as I could, because I knew this could not be another mass shooting. And then it cuts off very deceptively. Why would they do that? Now again, I'm going to scream at Snopes. Why in hell aren't you leaving a link to the unedited video, you stupid bastards? Why do I have to go look for it? You know where I'm going to find it? I'm going to find it on Reddit before somebody deletes it, because it's anti-Trump, because they have a policy on the pro-Trump area. You can't say anything that's anti-Trump that's a video interview of some kid talking. Gee, YouTube's flagging policies seem almost normal compared to literally the Russian collusion Reddit. He said he got his camera, went from his house on the day of the shooting after it happened, and did a bunch of interviews because he knew this could not be another mass shooting. And then the completion of the sentence would probably be, gee, I wonder if I'm going to be right without being able to find it on Snopes. This could not be another mass shooting that gets turned into a lie or something like that. Gee, how ironic someone would use that video where he talks about his motivations and cut it off and turn it against him. Ah ha ha, Snidely Whiplash. Yes, I would almost bet your kidney that this is real. Then anyway, every copy I see cuts off at that point deceptively to leave it a lingering question. Well, what did he say next? Now, inquiring minds, instead of stupid people, would want to know, where's the original video and why are you editing out a part that would be very critically important? This is literally out of context quoting. And again, Snopes, PolitiFact, and everybody else. The instant something like this happens, post with your video on your website. This is no longer copyrighted. There is no excuse. You can repost this all you want to. Bam! Problem solved. Get rid of your copyright lawyers. Throw them out of a window. I'm perfectly okay with that. That'll get me flagged. You can also look up 38 Days, How Parkland Shooting Survivors Turn Grief into Action, and hopefully, maybe that's where the interview is. Not like I'm going to look for it and put at the top link saying, yes, admit you were lied to, and no, it wasn't David Hogg. Now, YouTube, but please do flag the video for possibly answering questions and maybe getting a bunch of upvotes suspiciously, almost going like the last channel I had where I got 50,000 views in one day, which made me useful. Be sure to flag the shit out of this. It's not going to go viral. But seriously, you didn't notice the deceptive edit. You didn't notice them messing with it. Repetition. When you repeat something a couple of times and emphasize what you want, and leave a cliffhanger so people have that anticipatory reaction. It's like crack cocaine. Cliffhangers are how you get people to watch the show the next week. This is called teasing. But there isn't any stripping or any tipping involved, so I guess you're all okay. Oh, excuse me, I forgot about the PayPal and GoFundMes. Yeah, it's the same psychiatric trick. Carrot and stick. Which one's smarter? Y'all got lied to. Acknowledge it. Thanks for watching.